is just around the corner, which means so is your annual deep clean of your home. Now, you might be dreading this time of year because spring cleaning must get done, but it also means that the things on your to-do list are the things you've intentionally procrastinated doing throughout the year, because who wants to clean baseboards, like, ever? While I can't promise you an easy fix, I can alleviate some stress and feelings of overwhelm getting through this process by planning an easy checklist, which will save you a ton of time and energy. So let's jump into the 3 steps that you will need in order to successfully tackle spring cleaning. The magic is in the planning. So step 1 is to plan ahead. Simply make a 1-pager list of everything you want to clean over the next week or so. Don't overdo it. When you know that due to life and time restrictions, you will only be able to accomplish 20% of what's on there. Remember, spring cleaning is us jam-packing all of these tasks into 1 week. So we want to make sure that we're strategic about it. There are some things that must get done during spring cleaning, and then there are these other things that can be sprinkled about throughout the year. Here are a few suggestions of things that probably get a little bit ignored throughout the year that you can put on your spring cleaning checklist. Clean baseboards and walls, wash windows, curtains, and blinds, dust fans and lampshades, bookshelves and books, clean under furniture, wash furniture covers, shampoo your rugs, vacuum your vents, wash and clean appliances, clean your mattress, and give your fridge and freezer a nice deep clean. Don't forget to also declutter neglected areas of your home, such as, yes, take a peek into those closets. I have a free spring cleaning checklist available. I'll leave a link to it in the description. What you choose to tackle as part of your spring cleaning extravaganza is entirely up to you. Just make sure to focus on the things that really matter for you and your family. The garage might be able to wait until June. And please don't skip the step of stocking up on supplies. The last thing you want to do is spring cleaning week rolls around, it's day 1, you're fired up and ready to go, and you're like, oh my goodness, I ran out of multi-purpose cleaner or garbage bags. So here's a little checklist of supplies that you will need in order to get through spring cleaning. Garbage bags, microfiber cloths, paper towels, cleaners, multi-purpose glass wood, vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap to make your own cleaning solutions, sponges, a duster, a mop, vacuum, and gloves. And of course, anything else that you use and love. This list is great to make after you identify what will be on your spring cleaning to-do list because you have a good sense of products to be used for each task. If you're getting value from my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. And let me know what's number 1 on your spring cleaning to-do list. Moving on to step number 2, and it is to create a schedule. Now keep in mind, the planning and the schedule happens before spring cleaning week rolls around. So you should be doing it like now as in now. Take out your calendar and pencil in daily tasks so you know exactly what you're accomplishing each day of your spring cleaning week. No decision fatigue, the prep is already done. Now it's just about knowing exactly what to tackle once you wake up in the morning. This is how spring cleaning can be done successfully in just 1 week. When it comes to scheduling out activities, you can go by room or by task, whatever works best for you. Or maybe even a mix of both, which is what I typically have done in the past. Here's a sample spring cleaning schedule if you're planning to go by room. Days 1 and 2, tackle your kitchen. Break down all the tasks by zones in your kitchen and tackle a few each one of the 2 days. Day 3, you can deep clean your bathroom. Day 4, deep clean your master bedroom and closet. Day 5, the kids' room. Day 6, the living room. And day 7, miscellaneous tasks. And of course, don't forget to celebrate.
And by celebrate, I mean pass out on your couch with a glass of wine and maybe some Netflix, because you deserve it.
If you are someone who prefers to spring clean by tasks, here is an example of how you might structure your spring cleaning week. A caution, when it comes to doing things by tasks, remember that when it comes to deep cleaning, you want to clean things from top to bottom. If you clean a surface and then clean your walls or ceiling, all the dust will land on your perfectly clean coffee table. Here's an example of how to break down your spring cleaning week by tasks. Day 1, clean ceilings, walls, fans, and lampshades. Day 2, tackle your windows, your blinds, and throw your curtains in the laundry. Day 3, clean furniture, counters, and appliances. Maybe do another load of laundry here as well. Day 4, vacuum vents and baseboards. Day 5, shampoo, clean, wash your rugs. Day 6, vacuum and wash your floors, and day 7, maybe a last load of laundry and pass out. Feel free to mix and match as you please. If you're lucky to have others in your home participate in the fun of spring cleaning, then don't forget to assign their name to each specific task. And finally, step number 3. I hope you got a good night's sleep because S-Day is officially here. Take out your list and let's begin with what's on Monday's to-do list. I encourage you to make this fun. Turn on some good tunes and make sure to pencil in breaks. You might also want to have this week be takeout weeks because you will probably be too exhausted to cook or at least invest in some frozen meals. Good luck during spring cleaning. As always, thank you so much for watching, and remember to be good to yourself.